Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are in place, and then launching the first actionable step. Open the project directory and verify runtime versions. Once done, load the provided configuration file and inject your API key into the environment. Make sure to back up original settings before making changes, because rolling back avoids data loss. Now run the initial validation command so the system verifies syntax and dependencies. This immediate feedback saves time and highlights missing modules you must install next. You will now perform the detailed execution. Execute the primary integration command with verbose logging to capture runtime behavior. As it runs, watch authentication steps and token exchanges so you understand when refreshes occur and where rate limits appear. Once a module completes, run targeted tests against sample inputs. This helps isolate failures quickly. Make sure to apply changes incrementally rather than all at once, because small, repeatable steps let you trace regressions and maintain a stable deployment as you proceed. You finish by validating results. Run end-to-end tests and compare outputs to expected schemas so you confirm accuracy. Once satisfied, commit the finalized configuration and rotate any temporary credentials to maintain security. If something goes wrong, check detailed logs first to pinpoint the failure, then reset authentication tokens and revert the last incremental change you made. This single troubleshooting step often restores a working state quickly. Finally, document the fix so you avoid repeating the same issue in future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.